All right, guys, quick update. What to do if your points do not close all the way down when you go to install them on your Evo. I don't know if this is a problem with just my Evo or just the points that I bought, but I had that problem when I did yesterday's install. That's why I put my old points back in. I've got the solution for you. It takes about 2 seconds to fix it, so stick with me. I'll take you through what you got to do.
All right, guys, so I got you back zoomed in here on the points. And basically, this is what I was running into. With the brand new points, which you can see are in here now, this shoe right here was so tall on this Evo that I couldn't get the points to close all the way. It only went to about there. Here I've got a second set of points. Here's how I fixed it. What's happening is that this screw is riding in this channel. What I did was I took this little burr bit, stuck it in here, and I just ground out this channel to where about where the blue marker is. And what that lets this thing do is this screw can now come further down in the channel so that I can push this all the way closed. Before, like I said, the channel wasn't deep enough. I could only get it to about there, so I ended up putting my old points back in. Now, with the channel ground out in this one, you see the points can close all the way. So now it's the same as everything else. This is how points normally operate. I just didn't know if this is a problem with the specific points I got or if this was something that happens on all Evos. So I left it out of that first video because I didn't want it to get too long, but I wanted to do a quick update here so you know if this is a problem across all the Evos, that's all you need to do. It takes about 2 seconds. You grind that channel out a little bit, and then your points will close all the way. Now it's the same thing. You gap it to 20 thousandths with your feeler gauge, lock this screw down, and you're good to go.